Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Khanvilkar. I am heading Business Excellence in Adani Group, which is primarily based on the Malcolm Baldrige framework. So it gives me immense pleasure to connect with you when we are celebrating National Productivity Week. And the intention and objective of this celebration is to encourage all the stakeholders who are practicing and using various tools and techniques in the area of productivity enhancement and improvement. Productivity is a growth engine, okay, which gives the financial support and the economical support to the nation. Uh, Productivity enhancement is a major area in any organization. So, how to address this thing? I can tell you through four major aspects and levers. By addressing these four aspects, we can definitely vouch and can achieve the productivity improvement. So, which are those? One is people. So, definitely we'll have to identify the right skill requirement, competence in skill requirement for an individual with respect to their activities and the job levels. By doing so, we can definitely build a competency and can get the right qualitative work, from the people. Also, we'll have to ensure about the continuous reward and recognition through the top management so that the motivation level always be on a higher side. The second aspect is asset and equipment management, wherein we have to really focus on the reliability, maintenance, or say the performance of the asset should be on always on a higher side, which we can maintain and achieve through various reliability programs. The TPM is one of the very effective and very proven tool methodology, I would say, not a tool, by which we can do so. The third is information. Under the information, we'll have to inculcate the culture of data driven to make the faster decisions purely on a data management, and by doing so, we can take a very accurate and precise decisions within minimal time. The data integration also support the organization in terms of uh, providing very smooth and easy interfaces with the allied processes. It also brings a lot of visibility, okay, and transparency within the processes. At the same time, it gives a very clear, very realistic, real time picture in terms of the KPIs, in terms of the various trends and the analysis. So, information is a very powerful tool powerful lever, I would say, by which we can enhance the productivity. The last is system building, wherein we are talking about the shift of the person dependent culture to the system driven culture. So here we can focus on the process improvement, and we'll have to well define the processes from the point of view development and the deployment, by which we can achieve the efficiency and the effectiveness of each and every processes, which ultimately can be able to uh, focus on achieving the functional objectives and then in turn the organizational objectives. So, by adoption of the operational excellence program in a right way, in a right spirit, with the right involvement and engagement of the people, we can address all these four aspects in totality, in holistic way, and can achieve the productivity in the organization. So, guys, best of luck to all of you for your future endeavors. Take care.